Damn. Damn. Bro, Trey, you're gonna have to go. We can't go IRL in the rain.
We walk. Huh? Bang it out with.
Nigga, we can't. Can't roll it with.
No umbrella?
Huh?
No umbrella?
I'm just gonna be a moving target at that point.
Close is long one. That's how you gonna get him hit in front of the camera.
Yeah, like I got the angles. Like I'm gonna make sure everybody. Cause I don't want the lens to get fucked up. That's my only thing. If a paintball hit the lens, it's cooked.
What you got, yo, under? Oh, I'm hot.
Y'all hot, bro. That's 5 on kid. They clear wall, straight over the phone.
And they clear wall. They're calling bomb sites of this.
Fire recording. Man, that.
They want to clear wall. I bet.
Yo, hear that? Hear that?
It's lit.